Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change voice pitch in CapCut. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to download the CapCut application and make sure your CapCut is on the latest version. So now let's go ahead and open our CapCut app. Alright, so over here you can see this is another tutorial that I have created. So here you can see, if you listen to the voice, I'm just going to mute this music for now and let's listen to the voice. Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest. Alright, so here you can see our voice is the normal bass. So to change the pitch, what you have to do is click on this file, then click on audio, and once you click on audio, here you can see the option for voice changer. So now what you have to do is just click on this voice changer and then select any pitch that you want. So for example, if I want the low pitch, just click on low, and here it is showing network error, but in your application it will work. So here what you have to do is just select any pitch that you like. So for example, if I want to make my voice deep, just click on deep here, and that's it. That is how you'll be able to change your voice pitch in CapCut. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.